how to limit Wi-Fi speed for any user in TP-Link router. To limit, first go to browser search URL and then type 192.168.0.1 and then hit enter, and then you will see this interface. After that, you need to enter your password. This is local password. Click on login, and we have successfully logged. Now go to network maps, and then on the right side you will see clients. Just click on that, and then you will see all of your client list. Now if you want to limit any of client or any of device, then just go to the right side and then you will see pen icon. Just click on that. Speed limit, just enable it, and then you see download speed and upload speed. Just click on that and you can select 10 Mbps or other. Just click on custom and then you will select 5 Mbps or others below. And then upload limits, you can set it 6 Mbps and then click on save. Now it will be limited. So upload speed is 6 Mbps and download speed will be 5 Mbps. And that's how you can limit TP-Link Wi-Fi user. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.